Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change a country or region on your iPhone iOS 26. So if you want to change your country or region on your app store, so how you can do that? So there are two methods for doing that. So first one is through the app store and the second one is from the settings. So first method is that you have to simply open the app store here, and in app store you have to simply open your profile or Apple ID here, and you have to simply click on that. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on name or Apple ID, and after that you will find a new kind of interface where payments option are available, and you can simply find subscription, and also you will find the country or region option. So here you can simply click on country or region, and if you want to change, then you will be able to change that country or region. And the next method is as that you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to click on name or Apple ID, and the next thing you have to do is you have to simply click on media and purchase, and you have to click on view account. And as you click on view account, you will find the same interface, and you will find a country or region option. So here you have to simply click on that, and after that you have to simply wait for some time so that all the country and region are available, so that you can simply change them. So you have to simply select that country you want to change. So here you can simply click on that country, and after that you have to click on continue and review your purchases, and after that you have to click on agree terms and condition, and after that you have to click on agree terms and condition, and after that you have to provide your payment method. So here I am selecting non-payment method, and here you have to provide your billing address, and after that providing the billing address and verification, your country or region will be changed from here. So in this way you can simply change the country or region without any problem on your iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.